Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to test the PUBG default graphics play comparison between the MI11 versus the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see friends, the MI11 has the Snapdragon 888 processor and the OnePlus 80 has got the Snapdragon 865 processor. So let's see friends which phone has a better graphics comparison in terms of the PUBG settings. And both phones they are having the 120Hz refresh rate. So let me try to quickly show you. So before starting the video you should know which refresh rate I am trying to use right now. As you can see friends, both are at the 120Hz refresh rate. They have selected. So for the PUBG game, so let me try to select at 1080 resolution because some of the games they are not supported with the quad HD resolution, so it's better to change the resolution to the full HD just for the testing of this PUBG game. So let's see friends what will be the difference it is. And just in case if you are watching this channel for the first time, so make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description friends for more details about the smartphones which I reviewed in my channel. So let me try to open the PUBG game. So it is the PUBG game, so which is ready. So let me try to select here. So let me try to start at same time both phones. So this is a test which I am trying to do in both phones without using any kind of GFX tool. So no GFX tools are used in this kind of demonstration of this process. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open faster in terms of the gaming and everything. So MI11 did open slightly faster if you notice, MI11 before the OnePlus 80. So let me try to quickly compare the graphics settings what you are getting by default in the both the smartphones. That is what most important it is. So let me try to show you. As you can see friends, in the OnePlus 8T you are getting up to 90 FPS of support by default. So without using any GFX tool you can actually play the game at 90 FPS in the OnePlus 8T. So right now in the MI11 you can see friends, you will be able to only play it smooth and extreme. I don't think this will be for permanent. There will be a quick update to in the MI11 so very soon. So maybe MI11 might receive the update very soon, so then you will be able to play the game at 90 FPS. So same thing has happened to the OnePlus device. So before I used to get only smooth and extreme, but later on after I think last month then I got the update of the 90 FPS support in this OnePlus 80, as you can clearly see here friends. So this is a quick graphics gameplay comparison between both the smartphones, and let's start the match and let's see how will the both phones perform in terms of the playing the match. And both phones should be able to handle this kind of games very easily without any kind of issues. So since the both phones are having the process quite powerful enough, Snapdragon 888 and the Snapdragon 865 as well, so it should be really good to test this kind of demonstration. So as you can see friends, right now let me try to walk, and as you can see both are really good and very responsive as well, both phones. So no lag I can feel in both the phones while playing the match. So for more this kind of interesting comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details about these phones, what live wallpapers I'm using, what are the other things to know. But overall this is just a quick small comparison between the graphics comparison only, and for more details do try to comment below. I'll try to make a separate video on those topics. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.